For those individuals, and there are enough of them out there who are struggling, difficulties, understanding their purpose, what kind of advice can you offer them?
I think you have to start with a level of groundedness and being humble and remove all distractions. I think we turn to social media to find it at times. We look for others to validate within us what it is. It comes from within, and that from within comes from a level of connectivity, in my opinion, with your relationship with God. Once you're able to really hone in and hear what he has to say, to me, it transcends from any degree, any purchase, any homestead. It is so much more bigger than all of that. And it comes from a place of love. And that love does transcend into you loving yourself. And you begin to see things differently. It's a reason why that heartache was there, that pain, that disappointment, that circumstance, that situation, that issue. There's reasons for this.
You know, as we are having this conversation today, I'm thinking about those individuals who are really struggling and have yet to understand their purpose. And, you know, there's that notion of walking in purpose, living in purpose. Can you share that? Because I believe that that's information there that whenever the listeners are hearing you talk today, it may be helpful to them to understand what that notion is of walking in purpose. Can you share what it is and what type of feeling that elicits in you?
I think it goes beyond just the innate feeling. It becomes a knowing. Like, I know I'm here for a reason, and I don't know how long my dash is. And it could be just to raise a child. It could be just to teach a lesson. It could be the essence of what you do, whether you work at Walmart or you work for the government. But it's everything with a sense of enjoyment, a sense of pleasure, a sense of peace. But under the governance of doing things the right way. I think when we get to a place of complaining and anxiousness and frustration and confusion, we lose every bit of it. But you can have a $200,000 paying job a year, but your purpose could be ensuring that your young son gets to the football game daily for practice, and then showing up as the team parent on Saturday because all the other guys are looking at you, you know, just showing that love. So once we get to a place where it's not validated through external things, then we begin to see really why we're here. Kind word, nice gesture, giving back, paying it forward, smiling, just showing some love, giving a hug. But I think at times we miss it if we're looking for an external validation, or even doing it and seeking affirmation or appreciation.